you think's in the box? What is he so happy about? What's in there? Oh, what's in the box? Let's see. Feet. What's in the box? What's in there? What's in the box? Oh! What's in the box? What do you think's gonna happen here? Or here?
Stop right there, pal. I put you under arrest. You'll never win. You have no authority over a kitten like me. Go on, dog. Get going. Get out of here.
Aw, come on, little kitty, let's play. I won't hurt you. I
Who do you
promise.
think you are? I'll get you, my pretty.
Get over here. I said get over here.
Oh, yeah?
No, I just want to kiss you.
Sure you do, you big old bat.
Oh, no, I don't. Come here. Just let me kiss you one more time.
No! I told you no!
Come on. It'll be fun. Come here. I promise. It'll be fun.
No. 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 Okay, maybe. Okay, we got this. Oh no. There he goes again.
I think these two will be just fine. What do you think? Oop, distracted by another cat. Back to business. Thanks for watching My Mooney and Max on My Dog and Cat.